A generalization is a broad statement based on several facts or examples. You probably already make generalizations every day. If it rains 3 days in a row, you might say, "This week has been rainy." You used facts to form a bigger idea. Good generalizations use careful words like most, many, usually, or often. Here's an example. On Monday, 18 out of 24 students turned in reading logs. On Tuesday, 20 did. On Wednesday, 19 did. What pattern do you notice? Most students turned them in each day. So a valid generalization is most students usually turn in their reading logs. That matches the evidence. Now compare it to this. All students always turn in their reading logs. That is an overgeneralization because the facts never proved every student did it every time. Remember, the evidence should match the words you choose.